loudest crackle I've ever heard. Master of Sparks by Freedom. Finale time.
Master of Sparks. Wow. That is loud.
That was really loud. Say that
The crackle,
wow. This is the
definitely.
loudest crackle I've ever heard. Just in general, not even on California fireworks. Wow, especially if you get 20% off.
But is it amazing? It's definitely not on par with amazing. Yeah, so I mean, same price, but with the discount on the.
It's not quite on par with the Amazing Fountain for sure. The crackle lasts longer at the end, and it's same loudness. So highly recommended.